Like and subscribe right now, or you're going to have bad luck for the rest of the week.
The natural beauty of the animals around us has always been inspirational. We all love looking at animals. They're usually a lot more graceful than human beings, and, well, they don't bother you with stories about how everything is going to hell at work. Animals stay in their domain and just are so majestic in their own way. Well, every animal is beautiful except for this one, and maybe this one too. Some creatures in this world are so gorgeous that you cannot help but admire their beauty, and today we are looking at the best of the best. Ever wondered what the animal form of Santa Claus would look like? Stay tuned until the end to know about it. Number 10. Glasswinged butterfly. Let's start things off this list with a tiny but extremely lovely animal. The glass-winged butterfly, also known as the Greta Oto, is hands down one of the strangest butterflies in existence. While I'm sure you all agree that all butterflies and moths are beautiful, the glass-winged butterfly stands out simply because of its unique wings. As the name implies, the wings of this butterfly are transparent. There's only a brown edge and a white strap that surrounds it, but overall the wings are transparent, like glass. This feature allows the butterfly to blend in better with its surroundings, which is a perfect camouflage to help them escape predators. You can find this beautiful butterfly in all kinds of settings in Mexico and Central America. So if you visit one of the countries in that region, you might be lucky enough to spot one. Just make sure to keep your eyes open. With those transparent wings, they won't be so easily spotted. Number 9. Albino peacock. You can't claim to see most of the beautiful creatures on this planet if you haven't seen an albino peacock. This animal is one of the starkest examples of sexual dimorphism. The peacock's white plumage is as white as snow, making it very unique. They are a real supermodel, as you'll always find them showing off their beauty to everyone who walks past them. Their beauty is also attributed to their genetic makeup. I should also mention that they have a unique mating ritual that makes them even more fascinating. The albino peacock displays its feathers like the clouds in the sky. Although they are called albinos, some scientists think otherwise. This animal is native to India, although the first known species was discovered in 1830. When the British Empire conquered India, they introduced peafowl in Europe and America. It was then that this species became known. Chicks are born yellow but become entirely white as they mature. Have you heard about the statement, "as proud as a peacock"? Well, this animal grows their showy trains at age 3, and their tail feathers create a display that makes you stare. Number 8. The macaw. Macaws are exotic birds residing in the rainforests of South America. They are beautiful because they combine crimson, red, bright yellow, blue king, green grass, and orange. You can have this bird as a pet, but they are better off in their natural habitat. Although they are medium-sized, they have a large wingspan that are attention-grabbing when they are spread. They are social birds and love to walk in groups, and ornithologists think they are the most beautiful in the air. When they fly in a flock, they resemble a rainbow in the sky. There are at least 17 species of macaws, but most of them are endangered because they are captured illegally as pets. Aside from their beauty, they also share their food with their mates and enjoy mutual grooming. During the breeding season, mothers incubate their eggs while the fathers go out to hunt. They come back with food for their partners and children. You would love and admire their graceful tails, which are typically very long. Some species even mimic human speech. Are you still wondering why they make this list? Number 7. The white lion. White lions are so rare that if you went on a safari, blinked once while they were right in front of you, you probably wouldn't see them again. In fact, there are only 3 documented white lions in the wild today. And if we put this into perspective, it means that there are more Ferrari 250 GTOs than there are white lions. Out of the 3, 2 of them are found in South Africa's Ngala Private Game Reserve. And so rare is the gene mutation that wildlife specialists believe it will take a few more years before another white lion is born naturally in the wild. Number 6. Peacock spider. If colors are what you're looking for, this Western Australian spider has it in spades. Its tones look like a peacock and can be found in Australia. Even though it's a small species measuring only about 0.2 inches, it's very notorious because of its colorful body. And when we're talking about being colorful, we're not joking. The males typically have an intense blue, yellow, and orange coloration, which is used to attract the female. However, it can also be used to camouflage from predators. On the other hand, one of the best characteristics is its incredible vision, because it can detect prey at a 7.87-inch perimeter. Perhaps that's not a significant distance to you, but it is a big feat for this little spider. When it comes to mating, the male species risks its life. After the male species performs a groovy little dance to woo the other, the female can devour it in a flash if it doesn't like its dancing. Yeah, spider dances are that intense. Don't be surprised. Number 5. White Bengal Tiger. The white Bengal tiger is one of the most majestic creatures to walk on Earth's surface. This animal symbolizes strength and grandeur due to their regal appearance. You'll stare in awe when you see them for the first time. It is no wonder that this animal was chosen as the main character in many Persian, Chinese, and Greek mythologies. Their pale coloration is due to the absence of red and yellow pheomelanin pigments. Contrary to popular belief, the white Bengal tiger is not a species of its own, but a mutant from its orange counterpart. This animal is fully grown at 2 to 3 years old and weighs as much as 230 kilograms. There are white spots behind their ears that look like an eye. You'll be shocked to realize that there are several furs on this tiger's body, but none of them are the same. Because all of the demand for color, they are subject to extreme inbreeding. In the wild, they eat deer, wild boar, and water buffalo. When in captivity, they feed on bones twice a week. Number 4. Poison dart frog. We have shown you this animal quite a few times, so you probably know a bit about this frog. While it's one of the most dangerous animals in the world, we gotta admit it's also one of the most beautiful. This frog comes in different colors, including red, blue, green, and a bright shade of gold, which is considered the most poisonous of them all. If there's something about biology you should know, that bright colors are nature's way to tell us that something is dangerous. These frogs have enough venom to kill 10 humans, but their unique color is something beautiful that you don't find every day. Predators who try to eat the poison dart frog end up with muscular paralysis, nausea, and even their own death. As humans, we would probably never try to eat one of these, but still, even just a simple touch can send you to the hospital with pain, cramps, and stiffness. So let's admire this beauty from afar. Number 3. Clouded leopard. Living amongst the Himalayan foothills, the clouded leopard sports one of the animal kingdom's most striking coats. The adorable creature is distinguished by its broad, ring-shaped black spots and extraordinary long face. The elegant feline is part of the same widespread family as other big cats like cheetahs and lives in dense rainforests, swamps, grasslands, and jungles. Clouded leopards have the largest fangs among felines. Their tree climbing ability is unmatched because they have sturdy paws, flexible joints, and short legs. These majestic felines are night hunters and usually prey on tree-dwelling animals. Their carnivorous diets include birds, squirrels, tree rodents, and wild boars, deer, and porcupines. They prefer to hunt in trees because they live there for the most part. Their long tail offers excellent balance as they effortlessly sail from branch to branch in a fraction of a second. Number 2. The Matchkey's tree-kangaroo. Kangaroos aren't exactly known for climbing trees, but with lots of leaves to eat and numerous trees to climb in New Guinea, the Matchkey tree-kangaroos have a peculiar lifestyle. These cute creatures have sharp claws that let them climb and survive in their mountainous rainforest habitats. Thanks to its sturdy legs with built-in shock absorbers, this kangaroo has no problem leaping all the way down from a height of 15 meters. Call this kangaroo an unusual animal and it wouldn't be far from the truth because it has a monkey's tail, a sloth-like body, and a bear's nose. But it's neither of these 3 animals. The nocturnal creature is introverted and reputed for lazing around. Number 1. The albino moose twins. No, this is not the ghost of Christmas past or one of Santa's reindeer flaunting a makeover for Christmas. The albino moose is a rare specimen that only a few have the pleasure of seeing. Crowned the largest deer on the planet, moose are quite imposing and territorial, to say the least. In fact, you can check out a few hilarious moose encounters online that will tickle your fancy. But hey, leave that for another day. Naturally, moose are born with a thick brown coat that easily blends in with their woodland or forest habitats. But for the rare moose albinos that have been spotted in northern Ontario, they don a dense white coat that melts right into the snow. Unfortunately, once the snow thaws, they're sitting ducks for the biggest threat, wolves. Though rare, one of the most breathtaking photos of albino moose twins was actually taken in June of 2019 by a driver who quickly snapped the photo of these elusive creatures from her car. And with all their beauty and exquisiteness, it's no wonder the locals proudly called them spirit moose. That's pretty awesome. Which one of these animals did you find the most beautiful? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.